So that last beater box wasn't as great as we thought it was gonna be. Rather disappointing, but it's okay because I've been doing these beater boxes for like almost 2 years now, which is a really long time. And what I've come to find out is that there won't be 100% great boxes all the time. There's gonna be a couple that are a little bit of duds. I mean, some of the value drops off depending on when they ship it. Some of the value it just isn't there in the market. It just depends on when you hold and when you sell. So I'm not worried about it. It's time to bounce back. We got an $825 box here. Stay tuned.
Yeah, I am what I am. I don't have no time for no misunderstandings again.
Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untitled Hawaii here, back again with your favorite series, this beater box series. This beater box, as always, comes to us from Supremacy.com. Supremacy is a shop out in the Bay Area of California that specializes in selling shoes. These beater boxes, they got sole steels, they got a whole bunch of stuff online, so definitely check them out. They even do like trades, I think, in shop and stuff, which is really cool. So I still need to hit up the shop. I just realized I've never actually been there, so yeah, that's on my to-do list when I head out to California eventually. So sometime, hopefully in the near future, I do want to check out Complex Con, so that might be in the works for this coming fall. But yeah, we'll see about that. I'll let you guys know if I do go. So this box was $725 plus that crazy $100 shipping to Hawaii. So grand total of $825. Hopefully we make our money back and then some, because yeah, we got to cover for that last box. So yeah, excited. Let's check it out. These boxes are too big that I actually had to stand up to cut the rest of that. It's it's funny. There's like 20 pounds of shoes in here. It's really heavy actually. Okay, so there is one shoe without a box. What is this? Pretty dirty. So these look like the Jordan 10s I'm Backs. I think I'm back. This looks like the OG potentially, because these things are freaking dirty as F. Whoever wore these wore them really, really well. So kudos to you, because they are messed up. But yeah, some light cleaning and it should be good as new. This one is in a size 8.5, and it's actually missing the insole, so it'll be going for a really, really low price if you guys are interested in these. All right, so every other shoe has a box in here, so that's a good sign. First one out, we got a Jordan 13 low, also in a size 8.5. Oh, okay, so these are the Bread 13 lows, I believe. This is actually a really nice shoe. I'm not really big on 13s, but this colorway is really nice in my opinion. It's very subtle. Size 8.5, used a little bit, but everything else looks pretty clean on it. Okay, this box I've never seen before. It's a size 10 AM4 PAR. I think these are called Speed Factories, but I'm not certain. Anyway, it's an Adidas shoe. I think this is a woman's shoe too. I'm not 100% certain. You guys will see it on the screen if it is. But yeah, it's made out of that Boost material, so obviously a very comfortable shoe. And I think these are more geared towards actually running and whatnot. Interesting shoe. These actually have not bad value, and it is dead stock, so hopefully there's a buyer for this. Okay, next out, it looks like another size 8.5. So this one is a Jordan 11 low. So these are like the iridescence or emeralds or Easters. They had a lot of different names, but you guys can see it right here. It has like that shiny green glow across here. And then the bottoms, it also has like that kind of like sea color vibes. Yeah, so it is a little bit dirtied up, but other than that, pretty good condition. Oh, I didn't realize the leather on this is so quality too, like on the tongue and over here on the uppers. Very nice leather. Nice, okay. Jordan 11 low. 4 shoes left. This one is a Jordan 3 size 8.5 again. Alright, so I guess we got somebody's 8.5 collection. That's like what? This is the 3rd or 4th one already. So this is the infrareds, I believe. Infrared 3s. Pretty nice condition. I actually really like this colorway. One of my favorites for the Jordan 3 model. Dirty bottoms, but everything else is nice about it. Good piece. It is from 2013, so 5 years old, not 4. Man, time flies. Anyway, yeah, size 8.5, infrared 3. So far for an $825 box, this actually isn't bad. Hopefully there's a good come up shoe in here though. There's another size 8.5, Ultra Boost Mid SE. Oh, okay, I think I know what this one is. Yep, so this is the collab shoe, the Soul Box Packer collab Ultra Boost. I had this before. Resale dropped crazy on these things. Like nobody wanted these, and now like they're going way under retail, which is interesting because I mean it is a unique design, but I guess people just weren't feeling it. It was supposed to go with like an ocean kind of vibe, so blue, blacks, and grays to represent like the sea floor. But yeah, it is used, and it is a nice shoe in my opinion, but I don't think the value is there. Okay, 2 more. This is an older Jordan box. very old Jordan box. This is a size 9 Jordan 1. What do we got here? Whew, that, oh, this is not a good shoe. So these are the Jordan 1 Barons, but look at how dirty that sole is. Like, it's so yellowed because this thing is so old. Uppers are kind of messed up. Bottoms, yeah, a lot of star loss on here. Bottoms not too good. This shoe though is from 2007, so it is over 10 years old. So yeah, it has that logo on the back over here. This is made out of plastic. The swoosh is made out of plastic. They also had like a white one of these as well. And I think it was supposed to be like a baseball theme because it's like pin strips and there's like seams that look like a baseball. Like literally, these are the seams of a baseball right over here. So that's kind of cool. It's a unique shoe, but I know resale for those isn't very good and I have no idea why because it is a nice design. Okay, so the last shoe in the box, it's a Nike SB box. I'm hoping it's something good. Nike SB, ooh, okay, good. So this is a size 9, oh, dang. This is a size 9 Nike Dunk High Supreme. And this is actually the best colorway for this series. There was that blue, that orange, and then the red. The red is supposedly the best for resale value. I mean, I guess it's because that Supreme red, like, is iconic. So, you know, having it on the shoe as like the main colorway is what makes it stand out. So over here, it's all yellow, which is common because the shoe is from like 2004, I believe. 2003, 2004, so yeah, very old shoe. Other than that though, pretty solid condition. I mean, there's no damage on the uppers. Tongue is all intact. It has that Supreme branding right there. Other shoe looks about the same. So this is actually a really nice piece. I think these go for like 500 bucks and up. I think that's a good come up on this box. Not too many buyers for SBs these days, but if it's a Supreme collab, maybe it'll go a little bit quicker, who knows. Anyway, that's it for this week's beater box. I told you guys we'd be trying to do beater boxes more frequently, so trying to hold true to that. I know a lot of you guys like the beater boxes and you guys aren't as much into that hype beast aspect, which is nice. Good mix of sneakerheads over here, good mix of hype beasts over here. And I mean, it's all kind of intertwined in the same kind of culture. So yeah, there's differences and whatnot, but for the most part, if you guys like this series, I'm glad you guys come back. If you guys like the hype beast unboxings, I'm glad you guys go watch those. But all of these shoes will be up on the web store. Link is in the description below. Give me some time. It usually takes me like 48 hours to get everything uploaded on there. But yeah, keep checking the web store as it will update periodically. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram and Twitter, I do put notifications out on those medias pretty often as well. Mainly the Twitter. If you guys have to follow one, follow the Twitter because I post on there a lot more than Instagram. I don't know why. But anyway, thank you guys again for watching. This has been another episode of the Beater Box series with Untitled Hawaii. Until next time, stay humble, stay blessed. Take care, guys. I'll see you. Aloha. Shoots!